So a few years ago, I decided to mix Japanese and Mexican influences, and it bombed. Hell, it more than bombed. It got a lot of negative reaction, as you can see here.
折り合いをつけるっていうことで、もう一生懸命本当に少子化問題高齢。
So I went back to the drawing board and rethought this, and I came up with this. Seared Ahi Tuna Tacos. Let's begin. Okay, before we begin making our taco, let's take care of our taco toppings. Pickled red onions. I already made a short, so here it is. Pickled red onions. Let me show you how to make them. First, grab a red onion and slice against the ring pattern. Make sure the slices are thinner than your mother's patience with you. Then give everything a nice toss to separate the layers of onion. Then grab a heat-proof jar and stuff them down like you do your emotions. And for some extra flavor, toss in some crushed garlic cloves and a few slices of jalapeno. And now for the brine. Just combine 1 part water with 1 part vinegar, 1 part salt with 2 parts sugar, add some peppercorns, a couple tablespoons of pickling spice, and bring it to a boil. Also, try not to inhale the fumes, otherwise you'll feel what the Kurds felt under Saddam. Once it boils, kill the heat, and pour our hot brine into our jar with our onions and garlic. Slap on the lid and let it pickle overnight. And once it cools down, you can add them to tacos, poke bowls, or just have them by itself. Next topping, creamy cilantro dressing. I already made a video on it. Pause this video, go watch it if you want to know how to make it. I'll wait. Alright, you watched it? Good, let's continue. Let's talk tuna. I have here half a pound of tuna. Oh, this is important. The tuna needs to be sushi grade. If it's not sushi grade, well, let's just say people won't be throwing up because of food sickness. Anyway, I have here a small pan. Let's set that over high heat. And while the pan heats up, let's season our fish with some salt. No need to get fancy, just salt. That's all you need. Alright, let's toss in some grapeseed oil. And let's sear our tuna. Cook it for 30 seconds aside.
I hope you die in the fire.
Okay, that was not supposed to happen. Alright, we got the outside seared. Let's transfer it to a wooden cutting board. And I'm going to give a moment for everything to quit smoking. Okay, the smoke's cleared up. Our tuna has cooled down. Let's get to slicing. Oh, and this is important. Make sure your knife is really sharp. Because, well, see the ring pattern? If your knife is too dull, you're going to be shredding it apart and you're going to be munching on the worst bowl of poke you've ever had instead. In addition to a sharp knife, let me show you how to actually cut this thing. Start off at one end. Press, with moderate pressure, press down on the fish. Slice down. And bring it towards you. And there we go, we have a nice cut of fish. Once again, start up at the upper end, push down with moderate pressure, drag the knife towards you and downwards, and boom, another cut of fish. Nice and clean. Let's construct our taco. So, grab a warmed up corn tortilla, and place 2 to 3 slices, depending on how big the tortilla is, of tuna. And then place a nice slice of avocado. No, I'm feeling frisky, an extra slice of avocado. And some of our creamy cilantro ranch. And finally, top it off with our pickled red onions. And let's top everything off with a squeeze of lime. And there we go, folks. Now you have a nice, healthy taco. We just need to find a way to make tuna cheaper, and boom, America's obesity problem is solved. No! This has been Chase Cuttin Kitchen. I'm CRJ, making cooking fun. And meaning it this time. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, smash the like button. If you really liked the video, become a subscriber and hit the bell notification icon. I upload every Friday. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and support me on Patreon. And for the last time, even though there's a C in my name, I am not called Chase.